If you're having trouble focusing on a particular picking pattern or a song, here's what I suggest. Let's take this pattern as an example, and I'm going to play it slowly, okay? So thumb on G string, second finger on A, thumb on C string, and first finger on E. Then you repeat like that, okay? So when you play it faster, like that, right? And then eventually you go faster than that and repeating it many times. Like that, okay? Now, during that time when you're repeating it and you just keep on stumbling and just can't focus, here's what I suggest. You should count the beats, okay? So find a way to count. Here's a good example. So when I count it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you see that? So by counting the beats, your brain can focus. You're not thinking of something else. So keep counting when you're doing a plucking exercise like this. So I'll count it again slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? In a slower tempo, that's fine. You can count it that way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So in my brain, I'm still counting, okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Like that, okay? Now, when you go faster, you remove the ends. You just count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's really hard to count the ends when you're going faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's really just tiring your brain. So cut the ends, just count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Although I'm still playing the ends, I'm just counting the numbers, okay? Like that. And then when you go faster, you kind of count the ones only. You're like doing the whole pattern in just one count, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, okay? That will apply on a faster tempo. But when you're playing this slow, you're still kind of counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in. But when you go faster, here's an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's the goal, right? How do we get to that goal? So we do it slowly again. 1, see? And then 2, and then 3. So you take breaks after each count, after each cycle. 4, and then do it again. 1, stop. 2, stop, and then 3, stop, and then 4, stop. Okay, so now you're kind of, if you were able to do that, you're kind of focusing already. You're training your brain, slowly focusing more on what you're doing, and you have longer focus time, okay? Now after that, do it again a little faster and count it straight, and then try not to stop this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the technique here is really relaxing your arms, relaxing your wrists, and you see what I'm doing here? Every time I pick, my hand is really just steady. My whole arm, my wrist is somehow just steady. Very little movement. So try to relax when you're doing it. Find a way to relax. In the beginning, it's really tense, right? But as you're doing it, be aware, try to be conscious, and try to relax. Now let's try it with a chord. Let's try your C major chord and do that pattern. So try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it faster, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then try counting in your head only, but still doing it faster. 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you try to assign your thumb with the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? So assign, focus on your thumb on each downbeat. So give it a try and let me know if it works for you down in the comment. If it's too fast, if it's too complicated, or did it work? Very good, congratulations. So I hope it helps you out and good luck on your ukulele journey, and I'll see you on the next lesson.